Ooh, in the forest where the cool breeze blew, lives a tailor named Taylor, a true Jano. We are needle and a thread. She crafted the need for the cold little creature. She soja seed. Tailor the tailor, she sew it up tight. Garments for the animals when the frost bite. For the little rabbit, she stitch a hoodie. For the lion king, a cloak so goodie.
Under the cedar, she sip her brew. Roots and the herbs for the soul renew. Sweet little berries she pick from the vine. Jah bless our table, our art and our time.
Tailor the tailor,
Make Jah work shine.
sewing for the creatures,
One stitch at a time.
with the rooty steaming and the berries so sweet. She walk in Jah love, with the earth neath her feet. The fox come running, him coat look torn. Tailor said no worry, me fix it for your barn. The owl fly down, him feathers feel chill. Tailor said me make you warm pan Jah will. With an eagle flash bright like a star in a night. Tailor saw the cold away, bring them delight. With each little stitch, she chant a hymn. Jah guide the forest from root to limb. Tailor the tailor,
Make Jah work shine.
sewing for the creatures,
One stitch at a time.
with the rooty steaming and the berries so sweet. She walk in Jah love, with the earth neath her feet. Jah give her the skill, Jah give her the care. For the creatures where shiver, Jah make her prepare. With the dread and the cloth and the Rasta Man beat. Tailor the tailor, keep the forest complete. She hum a little tune pon the evening breeze, stitching warm coats while the moonlight tease. From the highest tree top to the ground so low, Tailor's work shine, Jah blessings flow. Tailor the tailor, make Jah work shine. Sewing for the creatures, one stitch at a time. With the rooty steaming and the berries so sweet. She walk in Jah love, with the earth neath her feet. So when the cold wind blow and you feel it true, Tailor the tailor will craft for you too. In a Jah forest our love can't miss. Tailor the tailor, Jah bless her with bliss.